Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Joni from simplelivingmama.com. Today's video is going to be a fun little recipe video. I am sharing with you two simple summer recipes that I hope that you will enjoy, and stay tuned till the end of the video because we're going to do a little peek at our little garden we have in the backyard. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is season our chicken breasts. I have cut each of these chicken breasts in half to make them a little bit thinner, and I'm seasoning them with the McCormick Montreal chicken seasoning. This is really one of my favorite seasonings. You don't need to add anything else to your chicken. It tastes really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in my air fryer, seasoned side down, and then I will season the top before we start air frying those. Now I'm going to air fry that chicken on the chicken setting, which I think is going to be set for about 370 degrees for 20 minutes. So that air fried chicken is amazing to keep on hand for different meals throughout the week. Today I'm going to show you a super simple, easy meal that is going to use some of that chicken sliced up. Now I'm using my mixed greens. You notice I keep a paper towel in there with them just to make them last longer. It really does work. So I've sliced up that air fried chicken and I'm going to add it to the top of my greens, and then I'm going to add a few more great things to this salad. So I am using Parmesan cheese. I'm going to top it with some strawberries and some sliced almonds, and then I'm going to use a balsamic vinaigrette as well. You could definitely add a variety of different things. If I had some blue cheese, that would have been even better, I think, than the Parmesan cheese. But this is one of my favorite super simple summer salads. Now this next recipe couldn't be simpler. I have a large pork loin roast in my crock pot topped with a packet of dry onion soup mix. That makes a really good dinner by itself with some vegetables and some bread on the side. But what I did with those leftovers is I shredded it up and I put it in the pot the next day to make barbecue pork sandwiches. This is the easiest recipe ever, you guys. You just heat up that shredded pork and then add some of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use whatever you like. If you've got a homemade barbecue sauce you like, do that. Whatever it is, just mix it all up in your pot. Let it get nice and warm and come together, and then you have a barbecue sandwich. My kids really enjoy this. We're having it with some potato salad and some strawberries. You could top it with some coleslaw. It's super good. I want to end this vlog with just a little tour of our backyard garden. We are currently in a rental home. I know I haven't posted a long time on here. We still own our property in Alabama. My husband's military and we had to move, and that's part of where I've been the last several months, is just dealing with that huge ordeal of having to move and everything else that is involved with it. But we have our little garden here, our little square foot garden, and some stuff growing in containers. I know it's not a lot. This is definitely not something that's going to feed our entire family. I realize that, but it's something that's been manageable for us, something that we could do here in our rental property. So, you know, if you have a little bit of space to grow a garden, I would definitely recommend it. It's very therapeutic. It's been a family project of ours, and we are really enjoying it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Enjoy this last little tour of our garden and have a blessed day. And then our tiny little square foot garden. Several tomatoes coming up. Some of these need to be staked. We just ran out of tomato cages. Cucumbers. More tomatoes over here in this city planter box. The watermelon plant over there. 2 pepper plants. And then some squash plants. And then we have some flowers. Rosemary. And that is all we have over here. And here is that lavender over here on the patio, and it's doing so good. Never been able to keep a lavender plant alive, so I'm proud of this one.